Hello affiliate marketers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to find and promote affiliate offers at WarriorPlus, JVZOO and Clickbank. To look for affiliate offers, you go to affiliate menu right here and click on offers, and you will arrive at this page. Here you can see a bunch of different affiliate offers, and it is sorted by the post score, which is right here, this last column. This is a score specifically for the WarriorPlus marketplace. So a higher number means that more affiliates are making sales with it, and also that the product is making sales. So a high number means people are making money, and it's a good sign. And what I also like to do is sort by the launch date, because I like to promote the newest product on the marketplace. So by launch date, it gives you the newest at the top, and then it gets older and older products as you scroll below. And what I like about WarriorPlus is that it is nicely laid out. It has the product name, launch date, the sales. This is the number of sales it has made, and it includes the upsells as well, the conversion rates. So high number is good. Visitor value, so this means that if you send 100 visitors to this product right here, for example, on average each visitor is worth $4.03. So that means if you send 100 visitors, there's a good chance that you have a return of $403. And this average sale means that how much you make per sale. That includes the upsell as well. And also very important is the refund rate. You don't want to promote something that has such a high refund rate. Anything over 3% you should be cautious about. A high refund rate means that the customer satisfaction is not that high and people are asking for refunds. So I'll post my requirement stats here on the left side for you guys to see. And to sign up to promote a product, all you have to do is click on request and then always leave a note. So this is what I have pre-written out. Keep it simple. Always state your name, and if you have a history of sales and a website, always list that out, and how you plan to promote. So here I plan to promote via my website, and I always ask for a review copy to be sent to my email, and I always ask for instant commissions, and then I paste it here. If you're a new affiliate and you don't leave a note, 99% you're probably going to be rejected. And then click on request offer, and then it says success, your request has been sent to the seller. And generally, if you're an established affiliate, you will get instant approval. Like me, I'm usually on instant commission and instant approval. So that's how you sign up at WarriorPlus. Now we're going to move on to JVZOO. And the good thing about JVZOO is that it works almost the same way as WarriorPlus. You have your launch date, your sales, your conversion rate. EPC, earning per click, is the same as the visitor value, the average sale price, and the commission and the refund rate. So at JVZOO, I look for the exact same thing. I look at the sales, conversion rate, visitor value, and the refund rate. It's the same exact thing. And then once I find something I like, so let's say for example this one, the functional fitness for health, it has 25 sales. That's the front end. 50 plus sales is in the funnel. It's got a 9.59% conversion rate for the front end product, and then almost around 14% for the upsell conversion rates. And earning per click is pretty good, and average sales pretty good, and commission 50%, zero refund, so it fits my requirements. So let's request, and here I enter in the exact same details. So there it is. So at JVZOO, it's a little bit more strict with the approval. That's pretty much it for JVZOO. And I forgot to show you guys to look for affiliate products. Go to affiliates and then find products, and you arrive up here, and you can sort these columns by simply clicking on the column header, like launch date, sales, conversion rates, or whatever you want. Okay, now lastly is Clickbank Marketplace. I hate their search. It's very hard to find products with the Clickbank Marketplace search. So let's do something like weight loss. It's very confusing and it doesn't look good. It's hard to sort and search. So I never use Clickbank search to find affiliate products. My go-to search engine for finding Clickbank products is here, cbengine.com. And here it's just nicely laid out, and it's free. You don't actually have to go pro for $27 here. And it's just very nicely laid out. So let's look at some CB categories. So this is all the categories nicely laid out. Or you can even do a search right here for weight loss. So let's try to do a search. And here you can regroup the results by these things. And I always like to do it by averages and sort it with the gravity. So the gravity is similar to the WarriorPlus post score. It just tells you a higher number means that more money is being made by affiliates and the product is being sold by a lot. A higher number is good. Right now I'm searching for weight loss, so these are all the weight loss products. And again, you can also click on a category. So let's find the weight loss category right here, diet and weight loss. There's 246 products, and again you can sort by the averages. So that's why it's so convenient and nice to use CB engine. So here we have the entire category of weight loss, and then once you find some products that you're interested in, you can click on it and get your affiliate link. And the great thing about the Clickbank Marketplace is once you're in the Clickbank Marketplace, you're approved for pretty much every single product at the Clickbank Marketplace. So there's no need to apply for each product or anything like that. It's just simply type in your username, click to create the hop link, which is your affiliate link, and there it is. That's your affiliate link to this product. So CB engine, it has these nice stats. The gravity, percent referred means 96% of the sales are from affiliates, 75% commission, average, and then you have the average sales. A rebuild total means that it has recurring commissions. So Clickbank pretty much covers all niches, all categories and topics, from weight loss to gardening, and it's mostly digital products, info products, ebooks, video, software. And JVZOO and WarriorPlus are mostly products for internet marketing, SEO, traffic, and things like that relating to marketing. So that's how you do it with WarriorPlus, JVZOO, and Clickbank. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials on internet marketing. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.